Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see the quick introduction about Revit for beginners. After opening the Revit app, we will be seeing this type of user interface. Here we will be having the projects and families. So what is the difference between projects and families? Projects means we can do the modeling, and in families we will be having the components such as doors, chairs, tables. These are called the families. So in order to create a project, we have to click on the open. If we have done already we have the projects, we have to click on the open, or we can create the new by clicking on new. Here we have already the default templates like architectural and construction templates. We can use them. Okay, families means the objects such as doors. Objects or components such as doors, windows, we can use them. So let us create a new project. So click on new. So we will be having this type of dialog box. Here we have two default templates, that is the architecture and construction. So let us go with the architectural template. So we are creating the project. So click on the project. So from browse we can get the units. So we are taking the default. So if you want it as in empirical, so go to the templates. So metric, select the metric. So we are using the default metric or construction default metric. Let us click on this. Templates, US Imperial default. Okay. Click on OK. So now we will be getting the actual user interface of the Revit. Now we can see the user interface of the project. Here we have the quick access toolbar. Here we can open the new project and we can save the project. We can undo and redo and measure between the two references. These are the taglines. And this one is the 3D view. If we have done a plan, we can see in 3D view by clicking on it, or we can cut the sections. Here it is a quick access toolbar. Okay. So now we have this ribbon. Here we can see the architecture, structure, insert, annotate, analyze, massing and site, collaborate, view, manage and modify. So first of all, we look at the architecture. In architecture, we have several components such as walls, doors, windows, components, columns, roof, ceiling, floor, curtain system, curtain grid, mullion, railing, ramp, staircase. All these we can find here. In structure, we will be having beams, walls, columns, floors, trusses, brace system, beam system, isolated wall, slabs, all these things, the elements which are related to the structure we will be having in this ribbon. In insert we can link the Revit, and also we can link the CAD file in it. and several links we can import and insert in this file. In annotate, we can give the alignment. For align, linear, angular, we give the values. Okay. Or we have to check the radial readings or diameter of a circle or something. Here we can give the readings. In analyze, we will not be using this that much, so let us skip it. Massing and site. The most useful thing in this is the architecture and structure tab and insert. So let us here we have, this one is the drawing area. Here we will be having the this one pan and zoom rewind buttons. Okay. Here we have properties and project browser. In properties, if we have selected a wall, let us take a wall architecture. After clicking in, after selecting the wall, we got another ribbon, that is modify or place wall. So we are here, from here we can see we will be having the more options. So this one is the line command. So the wall will be the line format. We can draw in step by step by line wise, or we can select the rectangular one and draw like this. Okay. Or we can draw like polygon like this. This one is the polygon. So first we have to give the center and then endpoint, or we can draw the circle. Let us give it as 30 feet. These are the draw commands. Or we can form the arc like this. Like this. These are the draw commands for. So let us clear all this. Let us keep only rectangular and linear wall. Let us delete all the ones. If I click on this, we will be getting the information regarding this one. So this one is the basic wall, which is generic 8 inches thickness. Okay. We can change the properties of this by clicking on edit type. Go to that and load. Okay. This one is the basic wall, or we can click on curtain wall. This one is the function. Here we have the type of parameters it has. Its function is the exterior. We can always change if you want. If you want interior, foundation or retaining, we can select from this. These are the properties, or you can say the parameters of the selected wall. Or we can, from load, we can change the properties also. From here, we will be getting the more options. we want the generic 12 inches masonry, we can change it. Here you can see. Let us change. Generic 8 inches. This one is also the basic wall of generic 8 inches. In project browser, we will be having the floor plans, ceiling plans, sheets, families, legends, schedules or quantities, families, groups. In elevation, we will be having the views, east, north, south or west. Let us go to the east. From here we can see the wall. Let us go to the north. From north we can see here like this. From south we can see this. Okay. West. From west we can see like this. Let us make a small plan. Let us take wall. Keep the rectangular one. Let us take line one. Let's create a room here. So this one is the basic plan. So the base, here we can see the location line. This one is the wall central line wall. And the base is on the level one and top construct is unconnected. So let us make it on the level 2. Now first we have to add the floor. Let us add floor architecture. Let us add the rectangle. This one is the minimized to panel titles. We can get the more options of ribbons, or we can hide them. So just click on the floor. From here we will be having the floor. Click on the right finish or edit mode. We got the floors. Let us go to the levels, elevations first. Go to the elevations. Here we got the plane. Now we can add the doors, windows. Let us make the entry from here. So we have to edit the type. So click on the load. It is the main door, so we will not be using the single flush. So let us select the another one. Let us select this one. Click on OK. Let us select put here. Okay. It's a great call. For different rooms, we will be using the another ones. Click on the another load. Doors. Let us take this one. Click on OK. Let us put here. Put this one here. Let us see in 3D view. see in realistic. Let us move to plan. Let us make the top constant on level 2. Let us move to 3D. Here we can see. Okay. We have put the doors and walls and floors for this one. Let us put the windows. Go to the edit type, load. Here we will be having the many options. First we have to go to the Windows C1. In that we have to go to the program data. From that we have to go to the Autodesk. Next RAC. I'm using the version Revit Architecture 2013. So I'm having this one. So after clicking on this, we have to click on the libraries. We'll be having the two options here, US Imperial and US Metric. First we have selected the US Imperial one project also. So we have to click on this. So now we have to go to the doors. We have already done the doors. So we are now putting the windows. So click on the windows. Let us use which one? Let us use this one. Click on OK. Let us put the window here, 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 here. Let us see it in 3D view. Here we got this. Like this, we can prepare a plan in this one. Let us click here, shadow zone. So we can get the shadows also. In Revit, we can see the realistic view of this plan. Next video, we will be seeing the another features and components of this Revit. Thank you.